Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to download ESPN app on LG TV. To download ESPN app on LG TV, you have to follow the simple steps. Now open up your device first of all, then you could see apps at the bottom of the page. Click on it. As you go to apps, you could find the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it. When you click on it, now type in ESPN, and when you actually locate it in the suggestion, click on it and install it. Likewise, in my case, I don't happen to have it. So what I'm gonna do is the alternate method is that I'm gonna log in from a web browser. Now open up your internet browser and type in espn.com, and through there you could go ahead and sign up or create your account or maybe log in. That way you could download that is the alternative way. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.